perfect relationship isn't perfect, it's just that both people never gave up. A good relationship is when someone accepts your past, supports your present, and encourages your future. Integrity is choosing your thoughts and actions based on values rather than personal gain. Worry about your character, not your reputation. Your character is who you are, and your reputation is who people think you are. One of the great things about being willing to try new things and make mistakes is that making mistakes keeps you humble. People who are humble learn more than people who are arrogant. Great things are done by a series of small things brought together. Perfection is impossible. Just try to do your best. Be righteous, be articulate, be different, be distinct, be happy. You cannot force a person to show you respect, but you can refuse to be disrespected. When you tolerate disrespectful people, you disrespect yourself. I speak to everyone in the same way, whether he is the garbage man or the president of the university. Respect is for those who deserve it, not for those who demand it. Respect those who respect themselves. Good manners will often take people where neither money nor education will take them. Friends and good manners will carry you where money won't go. The hardest job kids face today is learning good manners without saying any. May you reach that level within where you no longer allow your past or people with toxic intentions to negatively affect or condition you. As you remove toxic people from your life, you free up space and emotional energy for positive, healthy relationships. Letting go of toxic people in your life is a big step in loving yourself. Growing up means realizing a lot of your friends aren't really your friends. Excellence is not a skill, it's an attitude. Force has no place where there is need of skill. Luck is where skill meets persistence. The greatest communication skill is paying value to others. Knowledge is not a skill. Knowledge plus 10,000 times is a skill. We never know the beauty of the rainbow unless we see it. Successful people don't waste their time gazing at the rainbow as their success is more glorious than the rainbow. Success is like the rainbow. It exposes itself to the people for a short duration and vanishes and it appears again. Just because the storm is raging doesn't mean a beautiful rainbow isn't just over the horizon. Stay positive, work hard, make it happen. Be so busy improving yourself that you have no time to criticize others. Failure is success in progress. The key to success is to start before you are ready. Success is the sum of all small efforts repeated day in and day out. The key to success is to focus on goals, not obstacles. Each failure brings you one step closer to success. If you focus on failure, you can never succeed. Whatever you focus on, you create. If your dreams don't scare you, they are too small. Your past doesn't equal your future. Ability is what you are capable of doing. Motivation determines what you do. Attitude determines how well you do it. The beauty of life doesn't depend on how happy you are, but how happy others can be because of you. Most people are searching for happiness outside of themselves. That's a fundamental mistake. Happiness is something you are, and it comes from the way you think. Just because I post something doesn't mean I'm going through it. I might just like the quotes. Only people who are not happy with themselves are mean to others. Remember that. Women fight for what they love, the things they care for. So if she stops fighting, you are getting dangerously close to losing her. A wise man never knows all, only fools know everything. There is a lot of hate in the world. No one knows what he can do till he tries. It's well for one to know more than he says. Theatre is more exciting in the sense that you can actually see the audience in the eye. You know, there are no takes and retakes. You have one chance to do your job, and you better do it well. Start by doing what's necessary, then do what's possible, and suddenly you are doing the impossible. Wanting to be liked means being a supporting character in your own life, using the cues of the actors around you to determine your next line rather than your own script. It means that your self-worth will always be tied to what someone else thinks about you, forever out of your control. I don't blame you for hurting me. I blame myself for thinking you wouldn't. A mistake is an accident. Cheating and lying are not mistakes, they are intentional choices. Never underestimate the power of my intuition. I recognize your game even before you play it. A man should never neglect his family for business. Children are not a distraction from more important work. They are the most important work. The greatest thing a father can do for his daughter is to love her mother. He is never going to be the man you want him to be because you are not the woman he wants to be with. No woman wants a man who has his eyes on every woman. A lying man will never be able to handle an honest woman. If someone really loves you, no matter how many other people they meet, their feelings for you won't change. A real lover can't be stolen. When you truly love someone, being faithful is easy. Never stop teasing and flirting with each other. Keep on having fun and being naughty no matter how long you have been together. I love you means that I accept you for the person that you are and that I don't wish to change you into someone else. It means that I don't expect perfection from you just as you don't expect it from me. I love you means that I love you and stand by you even through the worst of times. It means loving you when you are in a bad mood or too tired to do the things I want to do. It means loving you when you are down, not just when you are fun to be with. I want the film to start when you leave the auditorium. Beautiful homes are made by beautiful homemakers. Sometimes it's too late to make things right. Sometimes we hurt others more than we realize. Sometimes a smile fades in front of our eyes. And sometimes we are the reason for tears in someone's eyes. Never treat anyone the way you don't want to be treated. Love life and love the ones around you. People talk behind your back for three main reasons: when they can't reach your level, when they don't have what you have, when they try to copy you but can't. Women get to a point in their life where it's not about sex anymore. It's about having a real man to love, trust, and have her back. Breaking someone's trust is like crumpling up a perfect piece of paper. You can smooth it over, but it's never going to be the same again. A good loyal woman is one of the greatest things a man can have in his life, but it takes a real man to realize that. I want you to know that I'm always going to be here for you, whether you are sad, happy, or just insanely horny. As soon as you feel too old to do a thing, do it. There's a lot of bad things going on, but I didn't do nothing. There's something to be said for doing one thing right. The benefits of knowledge can only be realized in practice. Belief can be manipulated, only knowledge is dangerous. There is danger in both belief and unbelief. If you believe in a cause, you must be willing to put yourself on the line for that cause. Life simply is, it follows its course. Give yourself to the moment. Let life reveal itself to you. If you truly believe in yourself and your skills, most times it's enough. Believe in yourself, push your limits, experience life, conquer your goals, and be happy. There's something to be said for doing one thing right. Being with you never felt wrong. It's the one thing I did right. You are the one thing I did right. It's better to waste money than time. You can always get more money. Waste neither time nor money, but make the best use of both. Never stop doing little things for others. Sometimes those little things occupy the biggest part of their heart. Relationships don't need promises, terms, and conditions. It just needs two wonderful people, one who can trust and one who can understand. Good relationship doesn't need promise, terms, and conditions. It just needs a she who can trust and a he who can be loyal. Have a relationship so good that everyone is jealous of it. Perfection itself is imperfection. Attitude is a little thing that makes a big difference. Your attitude determines your direction. Our attitude towards life determines life's attitude towards us. If they respect you, respect them. If they disrespect you, still respect them. Don't allow the actions of others to decrease your good manners, because you represent yourself, not others. If you don't respect your own wishes, no one else will. You will simply attract people who disrespect you as much as you do. When someone disrespects you, beware the impulse to win their respect, for disrespect is not a valuation of your worth, but a signal of their character. Good manners open the closed doors, bad manners close the open doors. Good manners will open doors that the best education cannot. The sign of a person who has had an education is good manners. The less you respond to rude, critical, argumentative people, the more peaceful your life will become. When someone is rude and toxic, remember it's not about you. It's a reflection of their inner state. Pay no attention to toxic words. What people say is often a reflection of themselves, not you. Some of the most poisonous people come disguised as friends and family. 5 ways to tell if your friends are toxic. Do they make you feel bad about yourself? Do you have to change the way you act in front of them? Do they use their power to control you? Do they drain you emotionally and mentally? Do you feel trapped in a vicious cycle? If you answered yes to any of these questions, you may be a victim of a toxic friendship. A toxic friend will disrespect your boundaries, cause unnecessary drama, accuse you of things that they are guilty of, make snide remarks, judge you, play the victim, make nasty comments about your loved ones, is jealous of your achievements and disregards your feelings and emotions. Success is 20% skill and 80% strategy. You might know how to read, but more importantly, what's your plan to read? My best skill was that I was coachable. I was a sponge and aggressive to learn. Learn to hide your need and show your skill. Heal the world, stop the hate, lend a helping hand to those in need. Fear of something is at the root of hate for others, and hate within will eventually destroy the hater. Hate is too great a burden to bear. It injures the hater more than it injures the hated. Push yourself because no one else is going to do it for you. I get it, excuses are comforting, but the first step of change is to be aware of your own bullshit. Success is achieved and maintained by those who try and keep trying. Out of the mountain of despair, a stone of hope. How beautiful it is to stay silent when someone expects you to be enraged. Just be happy, it drives people crazy. Beautiful things happen when you distance yourself from negativity. Life is too short, so love your life, be happy and keep smiling. Before you speak, listen. Before you write, think. Before you spend, earn. Before you pray, forgive. Before you hate, love. Before you quit, try. Before you die, leave. There are only two ways to live your life. One is as though nothing is a miracle. The other is as though everything is a miracle. Things are only impossible until somebody does what another believes can't be done. Positivity is like a boomerang. The more we put it out there, the more it comes back to us. Best advice in 2 lines. Silence is the best answer for all questions. Smiling is the best reaction in every situation. Never try and defend yourself against a narcissist. They already know you are right. They just want you to go crazy trying to prove it. Sometimes you just have to play the role of a fool to fool the fool who thinks they are fooling you. Being rich is having money, being wealthy is having time. She is woman, she is mother, daughter, wife, sister, she is a person. She is strong, smart, crafty, she is passionate, courageous, generous. Cooking barefoot is only one of several superpowers. She is action, emotion, devotion. She has a beauty, power. She has a brain and she knows how to use it. She gives you life. She gives you respect, love, gratitude. She believes in you. She will nurture you, fight for you. She deserves nothing less from you. Men aren't stupid, and you don't need a complicated set of rules to find a good one who loves you. Here's the only rule you need. If a man loves you, he'll do anything he can to keep you around. Anything. If he is hurting you intentionally, he doesn't love you. No excuses, no if, ands, or buts. He doesn't love you. Sometimes, no matter how nice you are, how kind you are, how caring you are, how loving you are, it just isn't enough for some people. I used to think that the worst thing in life was to end up alone. It's not. The worst thing in life is to end up with people who make you feel alone. Most relationships don't die from natural causes. They are killed by selfishness, neglect, lack of consideration, lies, and secrets. I feel like I bother people just by being alive. If they act like they can live without you, help them do it. Be humble in your confidence, yet courageous in your character. I can definitely be tough when pushed. In relationships, you have to take a stand for who you are and how you are willing to be treated. If you create a relationship that's based to some extent on support and money, it creates an entirely different relationship because people are going to be behaving in certain ways to please you and not in their natural way. If a relationship has enough trust, honesty, and understanding, it should never require promises, terms, and conditions. The real test is being kind to unkind people. Be kind to unkind people, they need it the most. To be kind is more important than to be right. Many times, what people need is not a brilliant mind that speaks, but a heart that listens. What feels wrong sometimes ends up being right. You are that part of me I'll always need. I'm very indecisive and always have trouble picking my favorite anything, but without a doubt, you are my favorite everything. There is something wrong with your character if opportunity controls your loyalty. Be more concerned with your character than with your reputation. Time is not money, time is worth way more than money. The biggest difference between money and time, you always know how much money you have, but you never know how much time you have. Never stop doing little things for others. Sometimes those little things occupy the biggest part of their heart. Sometimes the wrong choices bring us to the right places. What kills me is that everybody thinks I like jazz. I never did one thing right in my life. You know that. Not one. That takes skill. Be different, be unique, be yourself. Be yourself. Everyone else is already taken. You can't believe how hard it is to be yourself. Life isn't about finding yourself, it's about creating yourself. The good thing about directing yourself is that you get over yourself. Don't think less of yourself, just think less about yourself. You will become on the outside what you believe on the inside. The cause is hidden, the effect is visible to all. And unbelief is the belief of a lie. Truly great madness cannot be achieved without significant intelligence. Madness is the acme of intelligence. I am an acme of thing accomplished and I am an closer of things to be. If I do something, it's always 90% obvious and 10% unknown. Only fools don't contradict themselves. One completely overcomes only what one assimilates. The best thing I did was learn to stop fighting for someone who was okay with losing me. People will notice the change in your attitude towards them but won't notice their behavior that made you change. Maturity is when someone hurts you and you try to understand their situation and don't hurt them back. When someone loves you, they don't have to say it. You can tell by the way they treat you. A woman can forget a man who broke her heart, but she can never forget the man who gathered the broken pieces, healed her soul, and made her smile again. Be that man in a woman's life. Some men think women want money, cars, and gifts, but the right woman wants a man's time, effort, passion, honesty, loyalty, smile, and him choosing to put her as his priority. I found my soulmate. I found my one true love. I found my one and only forever and always. I found that in you. You have filled all the colors in life. You have made my life so new. My reason of existence is only you, and I truly and purely love you. You have no idea how good it feels to wake up every morning knowing that you are mine and I'm yours. I love you. You can find better than me, worse than me, but you will never find someone like me. It's not always about sex. Sometimes the best type of intimacy is where you just lay back, laugh together at the stupidest things, hold each other and enjoy each other's company. A man's most precious jewel is the woman who walks by his side. Family first, work next, because there's no replacement for a family loss. No amount of money or success can take the place of time spent with your family. A woman can always tell if a man loves her by how much time he is willing to invest. Money spent is meaningless, but time spent is priceless. Nobody gets angrier than a narcissist being accused of something they definitely did. The most dangerous people are the liars who think they are telling the truth. Cry as hard as you want, but make sure when you stop crying, you never cry for the same reason again. If you love her, never fill her ears with lies, her mouth with words, her eyes with tears, her mind with confusion, or her heart with pain. Always remember, people only miss you when you look good or doing good. My mom told me a person who values you won't ever put themselves in a position to lose you. Only those who believe attempt the seemingly impossible. Only he who can see the invisible can do the impossible. It always seems impossible until it's done. Take a rest and the world catches up with you. Listen in life, keep moving. Choose the life that is noblest, for custom can make it sweet to thee. To make one, there must be two. Sad how some people believe their own lies and the stories they make up in their heads. Beauty is not who you are on the outside. It is the wisdom and time you gave away to save another struggling soul like you. Be an example. Show kindness to unkind people. Forgive people who don't deserve it. Love unconditionally. Your actions always reflect who you are. Shakespeare once said, I cried when I had no shoes, but I stopped crying when I saw a man without legs. Life is full of blessings. Sometimes we don't value it. Distance yourself from people who lie to you, disrespect you, use you, put you down. It's better to wait long than to marry wrong. Whatever makes your soul happy, do that. Happiness is not something you postpone for the future. It is something you design for the present. The past is your lesson, the present is your gift, the future is your motivation. Attitude is far more important than what happened to your past or what will be your future. Being who you are is what matters, not what you have done or will do. Understanding your past can help you to create a better future. The best way to predict your future is to create it. If you want to be successful, prepare to be doubted and tested. Success doesn't come and find you, you have to go out and get it. Success doesn't come from what you do occasionally, it comes from what you do consistently. If you are not fulfilled and happy, it's not success. Failure is not the opposite of success, it's part of success. Never consider the possibility of failure. As long as you persist, you will be successful. If you want a rainbow, you must first go through the rain. There is always a rainbow at the end of every rain. Stay positive. Rainbows often appear when you least expect them and need them most. Let your happiness be known to the world like a stunning rainbow. Life is like a rainbow. You need both rain and sun to make its colors appear. Don't seek to be happy. Let everyone else chase after that rainbow. Seek to be kind and you will find the rainbow follows you. There's a lot of hate in the world. When it comes to mastering a skill, time is the magic ingredient. Time is more valuable than money. You can get more money, but you cannot get more time. Excellence is not a skill, excellence is an attitude. Build your skills, not your resume. The future belongs to those who learn more skills and combine them in creative ways. A true friend will not treat you like a doormat. Don't let negative and toxic people rent space in your head. Raise the rent and kick them out. Removing toxic people from your life is actually not the difficult part. Not feeling guilty about it is. Never respond to rudeness. When people are rude to you, they reveal who they are, not who you are. Don't take it personally. Be silent. Maturity doesn't mean age. It means sensitivity, manners, and how you react. Many people are educated but not totally mannered. How people treat other people is a direct reflection of how they feel about themselves. Show respect even to people who don't deserve it, not as a reflection of their character but as a reflection of yours. People need to understand that if they don't respect themselves, then no one will respect them. Respect is earned by action alone, not self-gratification. Try not to become a person of success, but rather try to become a person of value. Be the presence, not the person. Presence is infinite, unbound by anything. It's open, spacious, silent, empty, and forever aware, focused on nothing and yet intrinsically in tune with the totality of its environment. If you don't respect me, simply ignoring you is a relief. Behavior is the mirror in which everyone shows their image. The attitude is very important because your behavior radiates how you feel. The most important thing you'll ever wear is your attitude. Ambition is priceless. It's something that's in your veins. Imperfection is fine. ऑनरेबल व्यूअर्स, अगर आप मेरे चैनल को ग्रोथ देना चाहते हैं तो आप इस नीचे दिए गए सुपर थैंक्स बटन को क्लिक करके मेरे चैनल की मदद कर सकते हैं। शुक्रिया।